this is Mythic Beast, and welcome to another MineBros Let's Play video. I'm here with Ethan, barfing up melon seeds. Right, Ethan?
Yep, as always.
Now we're barfing back. That wasn't very pleasant. But anyways, we've actually done a lot. In the last episode, you might have saw, we've been building a Parrot palace. And we've done a lot between episodes, actually.
Dude!
Seeing as we thought...
What just happened? I jumped and the parrot didn't go off my shoulder.
Well, I think they only, I'm not sure if they exactly go off your shoulder all the time. But anyways, we went to the jungle and got tons of melon seeds. I still have some melons in my own.
I still got 50.
Yeah, I know. And we got tons of parrots. We got like the red one, the lime, the cyan, because we're gonna make it a giant party up there.
Anyway, I'm going up the ladder with my parrot now.
So yeah, we're gonna go and try and get this place finished, and if we can have a party by the end of the video.
An effective way of getting your parrot up somewhere, like if you need to get him really high up, is using a ladder. Because you don't really have to jump.
Yeah, you might think parrots follow you a lot, but they don't quite. Well, they can't really go up to high places like that, even though they can fly. So what you just get them on your shoulder and just go up a ladder or something. It's very easy, actually. It might sound hard.
All you need is wood, seeds, and a parrot.
Yeah, no. It's as simple as that.
Actually, you need seeds for the first part.
So we're probably gonna decorate that place with cakes. So I'm gonna go grab some cakes from Timmy. Oh, we already have some in here. If you don't know, Timmy's our villager who actually survived, I think. I don't know. Just for some reason, one day all of our villagers were gone. We thought we lost them all. But there was a villager that was stuck in a 2-block deep hole. So we rescued him and made him a little house. Hey, Timmy, how's it going? So, you ready to cake? Nope. I guess he's not in the mood for giving us cake today. But if I just trade him some wheat, he'll be in the mood to give us some. So, let's get plenty of wheat.
Why is that always happening? You have to get him in the mood.
I know. Kind of annoying.
Yeah.
Where the seeds go? There they are. Let's go ahead and dive in and get some of
I want
those.
to see something real fast. Dude, you can enchant fishing rods just by himself instead of an anvil.
You didn't know that?
I didn't know that.
I've known that for a while.
Anything for me?
Alright, wait, so, carry on my head. Yeah, I think that's 36 pieces for, 2 buying. Get some more just to make sure. Looks like enough. I'll get rid of those seeds. And head over to Timmy's house. Go straight in. Hello, Timmy. Alright, you in the mood to trade us today?
I'm trading him through the window.
No?
I got 1 emerald.
Alright, now leave his inventory real quick. Is he in the mood to trade now? What'd you buy from him?
An emerald.
Timmy's being a little bit stubborn today. Let's see if we can get anything else. I'm gonna go and get some more wheat.
I'm gonna buy some cookies.
Oh yeah, go through
Still not.
jumping up like he might have been in the mood. Check real quick. Ethan, check
I
real
already
quick.
checked.
Check again.
Okay. Oh,
You never know. Go and check again.
Got a potion on it.
Oh wait, oh yeah, check. Like keeps going down. Well, that way.
He's in the mood.
Nice.
I could probably get one.
That one trade. All right. Well, no, just save your energy. I didn't want to just go over there. That was an egg. Yep. We don't really need eggs for well, we could make. Nah. I was gonna say we can make pumpkin pie, but Timmy also trades those. So yeah. Farmers are my favorite kind of villagers, other than cartographers, because they just give you all sorts of stuff that's kind of hard to make.
Especially cake.
Yeah, no, especially cake and pumpkin pie. They'll give you 3. So yeah, if you ever find a farm villager, protect it. It's gonna be very useful someday. Unless you're in peaceful mode, then they're utterly useless.
Yeah. All it does is food.
Okay, I just remembered I still haven't filled this gap in. Oop, here we go. I was thinking, what if we made like a kind of like a little balcony? Because I didn't make the roof at the very tippy top, because it'd be too tall.
I can get another cake, by the way.
All right. Let's go make some carpets. Oh, whoops.
He's still not in the mood. I was cookies for me.
Boom. And boom, 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 boom.
I'm in the mood now.
Alright. Alright, well your parrots are in the way, but that doesn't matter really.
You can really push them.
Yeah. So we'll just put the rest of this in here. And some melons for no reason. Alright, I'm gonna need you to move real quick, Parrot. Nope, that's not gonna work. Nope. I keep getting this wrong, and they're like match up and end up looking horrible. Alright, now I'm gonna slide, see if I can slide in your parrot something. Can I move them? No. You're gonna have to get this parrot to move. Please.
Which one?
This one.
Cyan.
Go and get up to the top.
Cyan, right?
Sure.
What's cyan?
Go and come up in a minute, okay? Okay. Boom. 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 I move this one now.
Whoa! I was on my shoulder. I thought it went through the wall for a second. Wait, what?
Alright, done.
God. Woo-hoo! Oh, didn't
What was that?
I meant to jump on the
What was your
ladder.
main objective there? To die?
Almost.
Okay.
Oh, it's
Oh, you
my
moved
ball.
them. Thanks. What can I put here? I'm gonna put some blue. And put the rest of the carpet in here. Actually, no, I didn't really need to fill them all in because the cake is actually gonna be on the floor.
I'm gonna go look for some spiders.
So there we go. So yeah, by morning time, let's have a cool disco dance party. One there, one there, one there, and put one there. Is that about enough? Let's have one in this corner. That's just about enough. Yeah, that's about enough. Well, okay, I think we're just about done. Now I just need to get my parrots up here, and I think we'll be ready for the dance party. Oh, by the way, where'd you get that wool? When you opened this place up, where'd you get the wool? Like, I mean, what'd you do with the wool?
Don't exactly know.
Oh, whatever. Just like I did make a new pair of shears in between episodes. I'm just gonna go get some red sheep. Oh, dude, you used it right here.
Oh, I did?
Yeah, dude.
Creeper!
Oh, hey, don't hit the sheep. I saw that. Oh, it's in the skin. Oh, it's in the sheep farm. There's a skeleton in there. Hey, don't hitting the sheep. There's a strict policy about. Okay, you're gonna have to help me.
Here, I got.
Oh, you know what? Here.
I got a flame bow. Let me take
Oh, I
that.
killed a sheep. Okay, you're gonna be so. You're in trouble. Nope. Hey, dude. Let me show you something in a minute. Once I get over here, I'm gonna get out. There's so many sheep. It's hard to see the exit. And go. Right here, Ethan. Look at my screen. Look, go on this grass block and jump over there. Don't pile up. I'm just gonna let you know that. That's how I always get over there. So let's go and go to sleep. And I think in the morning, by sunset, we can have an epic dance party. Alright, come on, let's go and go to sleep.
Hold on, I gotta craft something.
Okay. Put this extra. Put these melons up.
How do you make this?
Hi there, fish breath. How are you?
Matt. Where are mushrooms at?
Mushrooms. What do you mean, like in general?
Yeah.
I'm not sure if we have any. No, we don't.
It's not good because I need a fermented spider eye.
Alright, well, let's just go to sleep for now. And I can try and finish up putting my parrots in there.
I'm gonna go to the swamp in the morning.
Yeah.
So I can try to get some.
Well, don't go too far, because remember,
Okay.
let's try and have a dance party by the end of the episode.
Yeah.
Okay? Yeah. So don't go too long. You're like, what are you trying to do? Get some mushrooms?
Yeah, I need a
I mean, I can check. There might be a brown mushroom. There's a spider eye. You probably already have that.
Yeah, I just
Wait.
need a spider.
I'll check. I don't see any mushrooms.
Oh,
Oh, no. Nope. Sorry, there's none in here. 9.
2 spiders though.
Yeah, pretty good. Oh, there's double. Be careful. Don't continue your streak of dying every episode. Don't want that happening. Oh, wait. I was going to say that's your parrot.
Oh, I heard an Enderman.
Be careful. Eat some cookies or something. Wait, come on, parrots. Come on. Fly. Sitting up. Come on. I just keep looking at your screen. Just keep seeing you run. Oh, there we go. Good parrots. All right, come on. Get on my shoulder. The red one is my favorite in personal. What's your favorite?
Blue.
Yeah. Oh, there's the Enderman. Oh, hey.
I knew I
You can't walk on the crops. Oh, well, thug life for him. He was walking over the crops. I'm like, hey, you can't do that. Just teleported. Man. Where'd he
I
go?
like teleport.
Yeah, no. Oh, well.
We could have got. The chances are you can get 3 Ender pearls.
Well, if you have looting. All right, you're standing. Come on, get on my shoulder now. Freeze.
Why is there just a castle up here?
Yeah, I know. I saw that earlier when I was exploring.
And it's
just
halfway broken.
It's just a shaved off village. Like, it's not always just a single house. It's not even complete. I mean, seriously, there are some serious bugs in our world. We need to complain to Microsoft. We need to spam messages. Finally, okay, I got you on my shoulder. Please, pretty please. Oh, every time I get one or the other, it goes on my back. Okay. Go ahead and head back. I'm just gonna go see if I can at least get some of them on there. Come on, just get on my shoulder. Just one, please. Alright, go ahead and back. Alright?
Hold on.
We can do that in between episodes. No! Did you see that?
No.
I just went through the nether! Oh! And it was the red one. There's no way I'm getting it back. That's ridiculous. I mean, if you don't like me, you could have just told me. You could have just told me instead of going to the place where fire is like the natural block. Well, rest in peace. I didn't even give the name to the parrot. Rest in peace, random parrot. Okay. So I think we're about ready. Okay? Good. Come on, sit down. Oh, where are you? There we go. Alright, come back.
I'm coming.
We have enough parrots. I'm just waiting for you to come back. Alright, hurry. Time is running out. Are you gonna kill yourself?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, go and make it fast. Let me see if I can get one more parrot up there. Alright, come on. Come on. Oh, please. Oh, is this one gonna be nice? Yeah.
Hello.
That's the thug life way for getting home. Alright, come on, come on, come on. Time is a-wasting. Come on. Alright, come on. Go and come up here. Really? You just went up on my shoulder. I was just about to get up to the ladder. Fine. You know what? You don't have to be part of the party. Oh, okay, come on, quick. Up this way, up this way. I will fix this up. Actually, no, by the way, I don't care about the ladders.
Your butt.
Yeah. Alright, go and get, alright, I'm gonna block this up for now. Go and put the jukebox in, and let's party. So, the parrot house is officially finished. Just let me get rid of the ladders. And party! Oh, yeah.
Mine's dancing.
It's amazing. You can't even hear the music. Let me turn the music up a little bit, audio.
Yeah.
Party!
I'm dancing on the cake.
Alright.
Oh, you should make
Dancing, come on everyone, dance to the music, it's your music!
They have to be like close. Oh, make your parrot fly.
We got a disco ball! Parrot party! Come on!
Go.
Look at this one dancing. Alright, dance to the music. Come on, everyone. Woohoo! Cake! It's a cake and parrots. Who doesn't love that combination? Woohoo! Parrots! Cake! Disco ball equals party! Yes! No one will know. Yum.
I'm gonna make
That's good.
I'm making
Yeah.
potions downstairs.
Woohoo!
Oh, we got a healing potion.
I think they changed the music to just cats. To cats?
Yeah.
I think they changed some of the sounds. Alright, come on everyone, it's your jam. Get party. This one knows what I'm talking about. He's right next to it. He's not afraid to show off his dance moves.
Oh, I need some water.
Man, this is amazing. I'm so glad we were able to finish the Parrot Palace and make it look so just like an epic dance party. Aren't you glad, Ethan?
Yeah.
But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed. In the next episode, we're going to try and take down our objective of defeating the Wither by going into the Nether and trying to get some Wither skulls. But for now, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!